Demystifying Jargon, Understanding in Layman's Terms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a commonly used phrase in English, in layman's terms. This phrase pops up in conversations, books, and even in academic settings. But what does it really mean, and why is it important for us, especially as English language learners? Stay tuned as we break it down for you, in layman's terms. When someone says they will explain something, in layman's terms, they mean they'll describe it in simple, easy-to-understand language. The key here is simplicity. It's about stripping away complex jargon, technical language, or specialized terms that someone not familiar with the topic wouldn't understand. It's like translating the language of experts into the language of everyday people. Using layman's terms is crucial because it makes information accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or level of expertise. It's especially important in fields like medicine, law, or technology, where specialized language can create barriers to understanding. By simplifying the language, we bridge the gap between experts and the general public, ensuring that knowledge is shared widely and effectively. Let's look at some examples to see how this works in real life. Medical explanation. Instead of saying, "He is experiencing myocardial infarction," a doctor might say, "He's having a heart attack." Legal situation. A lawyer might simplify, "The plaintiff is seeking compensatory damages for breach of contract," to "The person suing wants money because the agreement was broken." Technology brief. A tech expert could translate, "The application leverages machine learning algorithms for predictive analytics," into, "The app uses smart computer programs to guess what might happen next." These examples show how transforming complex ideas into simpler terms can help everyone understand the essence of the message. Using layman's terms isn't just for experts explaining concepts to others, it's a valuable skill for anyone. Here are a few tips. Know your audience, consider their background and adjust your language accordingly. Simplify, don't dumb down. Aim to make the information accessible, not to oversimplify to the point of losing the original meaning. Use analogies and examples. Relatable comparisons can illuminate complex ideas. We hope this exploration of, in layman's terms, has demystified the phrase for you and shown you the power of clear, accessible communication. Remember, the goal is to bridge knowledge gaps and make learning enjoyable and effective for everyone. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you navigate the fascinating world of English language learning in our future videos.